Imagine this. 3 friends. Same SIP amount. Same index fund. Same investment horizon. But 20 years later, one makes 3.9 crores. Another makes 7.4 crores. And the last one, 9 crores. The gap seems crazy, right? Today Barky reveals the secret behind SIP, Step Up SIP. And that one strategy no one knows, which can make you super rich. Welcome to Dog Street Finance, where money finally makes sense. No complicated finance theories. Just simple and practical tips that will help you take control of your life. Let's get into it. Meet 3 friends. Barky, Doodle, and Barky's friend Lucy. All of them start investing at the same time. They choose the same index fund growing at about 14% per year. And they promise to stay invested for 20 years. But each one follows a slightly different strategy. And those tiny differences end up creating massive differences in wealth. Let's start with Doodle. Doodle believes in discipline. So he starts a SIP of $30,000 every month. And he sticks to it for the next 20 years. No increases. No changes. Just consistency. Over 20 years, Doodle invests total 72 lakhs. And compounding grows this portfolio to a massive sum of 3.94 crore. Which is honestly fantastic. Most investors would be thrilled with this result. But Barky had a slightly different approach. Barky also starts with 30,000 per month. But every year, Barky increases his SIP by 10%. Why? Because Barky believes something simple. When your income grows, your investments should grow too. So instead of keeping his SIP the same forever, he slowly increases it each year. 30,000 becomes 33,000, then 36300, and so on. Over 20 years Barky ends up investing around 2 crore. And his portfolio grows to about 7.44 crore. Almost double what Doodle accumulated. Already a huge difference. But this is where the story gets interesting. Because Lucy noticed something neither of them paid attention to. Lucy was watching the market closely. And she noticed something important. Markets don't move up smoothly. Sometimes it rises and sometimes it falls. And whenever markets fall, most investors panic. They stop investing. They wait. But Lucy decided to do the opposite. Lucy followed the same step-up SIP strategy as Barky. But she added one extra rule. Whenever the market corrected by 3-4%, she invested 1 lakh extra. Just once during that dip. Not huge amounts. Over 20 years? This added only about 12 lakh of extra investment. That's it. But because those investments happened when markets were cheaper, they bought more units. And those units had maximum time to compound. By the end of 20 years, Lucy's portfolio crossed 9 crore. All because of a small habit. Buying during others are fearful. Doodle showed us the power of discipline. Barky showed us the power of step-up SIP. But Lucy showed us something even more powerful. Taking advantage of fear with booster step-up SIP method when there is blood in the market. Whether you follow SIP, step-up SIP, or booster step-up like Lucy, the real purpose of investing isn't just building crores. It's freedom. It's the feeling of financial safety and protection. It's the peace of mind that your future is secure. But many people forget this. Even after becoming financially secure, they remain stuck in the rat race. Constant stress. Health deteriorates. No time for family. Always busy chasing the next milestone. And if financial freedom still leaves you with no time to enjoy life, then what's the point? Because the most valuable thing in life is not money. It's time. Money simply helps you buy back your time. Time to spend with people you love. Time to pursue things that truly matter. Time to actually live your life. And that's what real financial freedom should give you. If you want finance explained through simple stories, subscribe to Dog Street Finance. Because Barky, Doodle, and Lucy have many more money lessons coming your way. And trust me, understanding money today can completely change your future.